How to save your favorite TikTok videos without Watermark. Often, when you come across a favorite video on TikTok, saving it to your device may still include the creator's watermark. Today, I'll guide you on how to save any video you like without the watermark. Open your TikTok app and search for the video you want to save to your device. Once you've found the video, click on the arrow icon located on the bottom right. This will reveal various options such as repost, share on WhatsApp, and save video. Look for the copy link option and click on it to copy the video's link. Open Safari and navigate to snaptik.app. Paste the copied link from TikTok onto the provided space on Snaptik and click on the download button. After completing the download, check your download folder. You'll find the video without the creator's watermark, allowing you to share it on your social media as if it were your own creation. I hope this tutorial proves useful, and I look forward to sharing more helpful tips with you in the next video. See you then.